The cabin filter is behind this gloves compartment. And we have to bring down this glove compartment to gain access. Press inward this side of the box to free up that tab here. Same thing on the other side. Pull inwards. Then goes down, and the filter is right on that cover, and there is the airflow arrow. To take out the cover, there is a clip. You have to push in again that clip on the left side, and then on the right side same thing. Push inwards, and then it'll come out the other side. There's the cover. And that's the filter. Pull it out. As you can see, it's full of debris, as really need to be replaced. This is the new filter. And we compare. Just look the same. The size is exactly the same. Yeah, it's the same size. As the direction here says, this must be like this. The arrow pointing down, that's the airflow. Put back the new filter. Just put it back in. How we take out the old one. The airflow arrow going down. Push all the way in until this end go up. That's it. And then we put back the cover. The airflow arrow going down. Just put it back on the same place and push it until it clicks. There you go. Push in to free up this tab here on both sides, then up. There you go. We will change the air filter. We will loosen up 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll loosen up the 4 bolts using a 8mm socket. The bolts stays in place. Cannot remove it totally. Lift this up, and there is the filter. Let's lift the filter. And this is right there. It's really need to be replaced. It is the same. This side of the filter must go in first when we insert it in, like this. Lift this up and then just insert right in place, and then be sure the cover is all the way down, and we tighten the 4 bolts. Make them snug, but not too tight because it's plastic. If too tight, might crack. Wipe a little bit.